Introducing this beautiful 2011 Chrysler Town & Country Touring Edition conversion van. Offering a BraunAbility side entry automatic fold-out ramp and kneeling system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 65,000 miles. This conversion van allows you to remove either driver or passenger seats to allow the mobility user to position themselves into either position. With the touch of a button, your sliding door will automatically open and the ramping and kneeling system will deploy. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2011 Chrysler Town & Country Touring Edition conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.